Welcome to the second part of this egg series around Africa. Eggs are a beloved ingredient around the world and Africa is not excluded. Be sure to watch the first video where we covered how eggs are eaten in Egypt, Kenya, Ethiopia and other African countries. Today, our journey starts off in Tanzania. Here, we have chips mayai. Chips mayai is a popular and beloved Tanzanian street food dish that combines two simple yet flavorful ingredients: French fries, chips, and eggs mayai. This dish is created by frying a generous portion of crispy French fries until golden and then pouring beaten egg over the fries, creating a kind of omelette. The mixture is cooked until the eggs are set and the bottom is crispy, resulting in a delightful contrast of textures, often seasoned with salt, pepper, and sometimes spices and herbs. Chips mayai is a satisfying and affordable option enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Mzuzu zege is another Tanzanian egg dish that was inspired by chips mayai. Instead of French fries, the dish uses fried plantain. Eggs and chopped vegetables are poured over the fried plantain and allowed to cook. The plantain gives the dish a bit of sweetness, which contrasts well with the salty egg. Our journey takes us to Uganda, where the rolled Rolex takes center stage. It's a fusion of rolled chapati flatbread and egg. Street vendors roll up a fluffy omelette with veggies into a chapati, a convenient and tasty snack enjoyed across the country. Let's head to Senegal, where we discover a fusion of flavors in a sardine omelette. This dish features a mix of ingredients, with sardines being the star. The omelette is prepared by mixing beaten eggs with spices such as garlic, ginger, and chili peppers. Sardines, either fresh or canned, are then folded into the egg mixture, infusing their rich umami flavor. The mixture is cooked until the eggs are set and the sardines are tender. Served hot, it is often enjoyed as a breakfast or brunch option, providing a satisfying and culturally immersive culinary experience. Venturing into Chad, we are introduced to a dish that's a staple in many households. Dried fish egg stew features eggs simmered in a rich sauce made with dried fish, vegetables, and spices. The result is a comforting and wholesome meal that reflects Chad's traditional culinary roots. Our journey takes us to the Democratic Republic of Congo, also called Congo-Kinshasa, where we discover an art of carrying eggs that you will only see in Congo. Typically found in bustling markets, vendors skillfully prepare and serve boiled eggs that are often seasoned with an array of flavorful spices and condiments, adding a unique Congolese twist to this simple snack. This affordable and satisfying street food option offers a quick and delicious source of sustenance for locals on the go. Heading to Zimbabwe, we discover the comforting egg and tomato gravy. Eggs are poached in a fragrant tomato-based gravy and often accompanied by sadza, a traditional maize porridge. It is a dish that warms both the heart and the soul. On the streets, you can find boiled eggs drizzled with phiri, a spicy sauce, that are eaten on the go. Our last stop is in Cameroon, where we have three lovely egg dishes. Cameroonians offer a creative twist to the famous scotch eggs, where they use pounded and deboned fish instead of sausage. A perfectly boiled egg is coated with fish that has been softened with egg and breadcrumbs and then fried to golden perfection. It is enjoyed with some hot pepper. Second dish is the spaghetti omelette. This beloved dish is a favorite of many Cameroonians. Eggs, vegetables and spices are added to the boiled spaghetti and then fried till golden. It is often served as a sandwich filling with sauces like mayonnaise. This next dish is a street food favorite. Boiled eggs and sardines are used as a filling for sandwich. Sauces like mayo are also added to marry the ingredients to make the perfect Cameroonian sandwich. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this gastronomic journey as much as we have. Until next time, keep experimenting and trying out egg dishes around Africa. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming African videos. This is the channel where we help you discover new and exciting tips and recipes and help unlock your creativity.